Bison, go get your toy.
Bison, come here, get your toy. Get your toy.
No, that's Jay Leno funny. Well, it's really funny. I've never seen him do funny. They asked him if the feud with David Letterman is getting ugly. Why do you think it's getting so personal between you and Letterman? It's always been that way.
Sit down, let Bird squeak it.
They've never made it so public before. It's never been this out in the open. I mean, he's certainly not denying it. He's saying it's show business. It comes with the territory.
Does Bird have your toy, Bison?
Get your toy.
Get your toy. Across the street with a bunch of other cameras.
Get your toy.
Paparazzi, photographers, whatever. We don't see them.
How funny Bird gets. Bird's just teasing him. Let it go, Coach.
Decides to go across the street to meet Amy, and Amy walks out and she's like really surprised that there's
Bison, come here, get your toy.
Bison, go get your toy. Get your toy.
The camera girl says to her, she's like, you know what they call this? What the camera guys call this when they all, jump on you like this? Oh, no.
It's called a gangbang. What is it called? Is this your first gangbang? To be this extent. Yeah.
It's a technical term. Heidi Montag, stretching out her plastic skin, is now doing yoga out in the park. That looks so hard.
Let go.
If you've been injured in an automobile accident,
Don't interrupt him,
call
Cody.
Wilson Associates at 1-800-INJURED. We've helped thousands of injured people. We can help you. There's no office visit required.
How funny
Hire
is
our
that?
firm. We will come to you. Remember,
Look at him. He knows that just makes Bison mad.
Saving money seems so easy. Well, even if you start, U.S. Bank can help you start. Savings today and rewards tomorrow. Now everyone can start saving at U.S. Bank. Save a little every paycheck, a little with every purchase. And without
Is Bird got your toy, Bison? Tell him, say, Bird, give me my toy. Go get it.
earn another $50 rewards card. Get the new year off to a great start. All of us serving you. U.S. Bank.